Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
Hi, this is Alia Bhatt.
And you are watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
Yeah.
The entire chemistry that you're having with your father, I think it's something I would love to do an interview with you and your father, because I think you guys are having a terrific
I would love to do an interview with my father, but he apparently doesn't enjoy them too much. He's very happy doing his own thing.
No, seriously, trust me, we'll have fun, because I think this entire thing, एक दिन घोड़ी पे आऊँगा, उठा के ले जाऊँगा, क्या कर लोगे? तो आना फिर बताऊँगा क्या कर लूँगा. The entire and that Raju Irani bit as well, that आम आदमी तू चुप रानी and
Can I just say something?
जी please.
एक दिन घोड़ी पे आऊँगा, उठा के ले जाऊँगा. The fact that you remember this, मैं एक बता दूं, I don't think
मेरी रिसर्च पूरी है, मैंने पूरा प्रोमो छापा हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं.
पूरा इंटरव्यू ऐसे दे रहे हो सामने तो देखो.
इतना अच्छा लाइन है.
काफी है ना, वो हम लोग
बाद में करोगे.
हाँ, वो करने हैं.
वो इतना अच्छा.
You shoot it separately.
नहीं, we have 3 cameras.
Oh, like that.
So while I'm looking over here, so that will be there. Yeah.
वो इतना अच्छा लाइन है. वो एक्चुअली जो सीन उन्होंने शूट किया था, वो स्केड्यूल के एकदम लास्ट शॉट में शूट किया था रात को, एंड इट वाज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड. उस वक्त पे हालत इतनी खराब हो गई थी. आई हैड जस्ट फेंटेड 1 hour बिफोर. शाहिद को लुंगी में ये सीन करना था, एंड इट वाज इन द नाइट. And I remember उस टाइम पे शाहिद, and he was very ill. उनको बुखार भी था. Even Pankaj sir was not well, and we were very sick. And when I saw that shot, I could not believe. आपको कभी ऐसा फील होगा कि उस टाइम पे कुछ दिक्कत हुई होगी, that they were struggling, because he said it so ऐसे टूथपेस्ट लगा के उसने ऐसे बोला है.
But अगर आप देखोगे तो मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है throughout the scene में मुंह से.
Right.
It was really cold. So I have to say that ये जब वो line, because everybody's picked on this line and nobody knows what went behind actually doing that line. शायद is coming because everybody was so cold that time.
जी बिल्कुल. अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें the entire.
I think
you also have like that.
जी नो, सबसे एक्साइटिंग चीज इस फिल्म के बारे में यही है कि जो नोक-झोंक मेरे और डैड के बीच में चल रही है, वो आई थिंक इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, बिकॉज nobody is going to expect father and son to be going at each other like that. और फिल्म के कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे हैं कि वो ऑब्वियसली आलिया के फादर प्ले कर रहे हैं, he hates any boy around आलिया also. मतलब आसपास भी कोई घूमे तो उनको बिल्कुल जमता नहीं है. और मैं तो मतलब हाथ पांव धो के पीछे पड़ गया हूँ लड़की के, ऐसा वाला वाइब है. तो वो फर्स्ट सीन से, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट शॉट वेयर मी एंड डैड come together, and that's the opening of the film only. वहीं से there's a total, ये जो भी डायलॉग था, ओए 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 ओए, वो सब वो जो चल रहा है, वो शुरुआत ही वहीं से होती है. So the entire relationship in the whole film is like that, and it was very nice to do that, because you would expect people to cast you कि भाई father and son है तो उस equity को use करो, emotional equity बनाओ. But विकास का जो quirky take है, वो जो अलग तरीके से present करते हैं, उनका thought mind ही उल्टा चलता है. I really like the fact that he pit us against us in that kind of space. I mean, I'm smoking a cigarette in front of him. I'm saying क्या कर लोगे, this that, काफी सारी चीजें. आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा.
See, Alia, you've been praised for your acting in general, and I think you're a growing actress in your own right. When an actor asks you that कहाँ गई थी, तो you say that इधर उधर. So the way he says कि इधर, सिर्फ that, I think that moment in his eyes, the way he communicates, do you find it like hugely inspiring in a way?
Hugely. I have to say कि actually मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे मौके मिले to do scenes with Pankaj sir, because he is playing my father. और all the scenes are so cute and so moving and so lovely, because it's a father-daughter relationship that is, and बहुत ही effortless है, जैसे लिखा गया था also. So when I'm obviously doing the scenes with him, I was initially very nervous. But I think सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या चीज़ होती है, जब जो आपके सामने जो actor है, he kind of gives you that kind of space to come into his space. And Pankaj sir did exactly that. He literally opened, like, welcomed me with open arms into his space. और जब वो होता है, then the connection is instant. कभी-कभी शायद ऐसे confuse हो जाते थे कि मेरे पिता है कि इनके पिता है, because he was so connected to me on set. और बहुत inspiring है, क्योंकि also I would see him asking Vikas so many questions, before the shot. अच्छा, why don't we do this? Why don't we do that? And after so many years, to be as involved as probably, or as inquisitive or curious probably as a newcomer would be, is so inspiring, because that basically means you're growing with each and every film, each and every scene, each and every shot that you do.